How to hide your activity status on TikTok. Looking for a quick and easy way to hide your activity status on TikTok? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get it done quickly and without any confusion. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. Once TikTok is open, tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Inside the settings, look for Notifications and tap on it. TikTok has moved the activity status option in recent updates, so you may find it inside the notification settings rather than the privacy section. Now, scroll down until you find Activity Status, which should be located under the Messages section. Once you find it, simply turn off Activity Status. After you disable this setting, other TikTok users won't be able to see when you're currently active or online. Keep in mind that turning off your activity status may also affect your ability to see other users' activity status. And that's how you can hide your activity status on TikTok quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.